Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show us an overview of how to use Google Jamboard, and I will use it via my Google Meet classroom. First thing I do, I go to my calendar and click on my link. Alright, so I join my class. Now for me to use Google Jamboard, what I do is to come over to these three icons. I click on it and I look at this whiteboard, open a jam. So I click on my link. Now I can either choose a Jamboard from my drive, or I can start a new whiteboard. So I start a new whiteboard. Okay, so this is my Jamboard. It's open, so I can take it off. Come back to my classroom, click on present now. Now you have three options here. The best way to present a jam is through a Chrome tab. So look at this, best for video and animation. So I click on my Chrome tab. Now right here is my jam. Click on it. I share. Now my students will be able to see my Jamboard. Now Jamboard is very important and vital for teachers that have to do calculation courses like mathematics, physics, chemistry, and engineering courses. Now your students can be able to see your Jamboard as long as you present. In my next video, I'll show us how to share and how to collaborate with your students. Now let's look at the features of my Jamboard. Now right here is you can zoom in and zoom out of your jam. You can clear the frame. For example, I can write on the frame and I can clear everything. Now I have a background. I have about 7 options for the background. I have my black screen choice for you. Black screen is very nice. You can use different screen. I have a graph. Look at this. So you can use different background depending on what you want for your class. I have a rule paper. Look at this. This is a rule background. You can decide to use this background if you want to. You can see you can write on it. It's very interesting. You can write on it. Also have a dots grid background. It's a choice. Clear it up. Also have the white plain background. So these are the different backgrounds you can use. If you are a math teacher and you want to use or perhaps you want to teach your students how to use graph, you can click on the graph paper and you can plot your graph and teach your students how to use graph. Now right here on your left, you have at least 8 new features that we added to Jam. Right here is a pen. You can choose a pen. It's a pen. This is your marker. This is your highlighter, and it's a brush. And you have different colors you can use to make your class interesting. You can choose red. Write it red. It's a choice. You can come over, take a marker, take a pen. You can write with a marker. It's a choice. If you have a black background, for example, I can use a white marker right here. Oh my god, this is interesting. You can write with your mouth or with your hand. So I'm doing now. Alright, so I can also clear it up. Alright, Now right here is your eraser. For example, when you're writing and you make a mistake in your writing, you can come to your click on the eraser and you can easily erase everything. So this is like a virtual virtual whiteboard class. Alright, see, I can do a lot of things. For example, this sign is to select. You can just select and to select the word. The select button is to select. Then right here is a sticky note. You can draw a sticky note. You can write or type a text on that. Save it. And right here you have options for different colors of sticky notes. So you can play with it. You have different colors of sticky notes. You can save it and it appears on your jam. You can move it around with your select button. You can move it around, In fact, the sticky notes make your class very, very interesting, especially when you are teaching students in the lower grades. Now, right here is where you can add images from the computer. You can add images from the computer and even from your Google Drive. You can add images to the jam. If you have an image that you want your students to see, you can add it right through the jam. Look at it. This is my image. So see that I can add image on it, and while the image is there, I can also write on it. See that I can write on the image, and I can also use the image to explain some concept to the students. Right here is images. You have a lot of images here. You can click on them and draw it out. That's it. You see a lot you can do with your jam. You can also click on it. A lot of shapes are here. A lot of things you can do with your jam. Alright, now one interesting thing I really love about my jam is the use of the text box. With the text box, I can type in, for example, test class. With the text box, I can type in my title of my subject or class at the top of my jam. Alright, see, you can type it there, and you can type where you want to type and just enjoy your pictures. Now, this is a laser which you can use when you are teaching your class to explain. It's like a pointer which you can use in your class to show the students some important concepts you want to show them. So you see that. Now, if I want to go to my next frame, now what you are seeing here is called a frame. You can add more frame to it by clicking this arrow, create frame. Click on it. You have a next frame. You can click on. You can create as many frames as you want to. You can click on many. You can create as many frames as you want to. Right? Okay. You can add more frames to it and just enjoy your class. Now we're in difficult times. The pandemic is here and everybody is going online, and I tell you guys, the Jamboard is a very good way to teach your class these times. Now you can also play with it. So this is how you can enjoy and use your Jamboard to facilitate teaching and learning. In my next video, I will show us how you can share the link to your students and how they can write on the screen, collaborate, and how you can see what your students are doing. You can assess them even while you are teaching virtually. I hope you like this video. For comments and questions, please leave them on the comment box. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.